Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video I'm going to show you how to create Freerdp. So follow me. First open your browser, then search Google Colab Freerdp, and on the first link click on colabrdp.ipynb and switch to the desktop side mode as well. So scroll down and here you can see the create user button with the play button as well, and here you can see the username and password user and root. Just click on this play button and click on run anyway as well, so it will run and create our user RDP as well. So it is running, it just take a moment and it will be completed soon, so wait for a while. And here you can see it almost done, so I will show you. It is completed now. Look, user created and configured having username, user and password root. Now go to this link and open a new tab and go to the another tab, and then you should click on next, authorize, and then click on this Debian Linux copy, and then again go there and paste their insert text here. Click and press and hold and paste. Now click on the RDP play button. Yeah, it will take a while, so I'm gonna put this video speed on 2x as well, so just wait and watch. And look, here installing Google remote Chrome remote desktop, and it will install their function and Google Chrome and the other environment as well. So it usually takes like 5 to 6 minutes, so let's wait. So in this RDP Linux you can also play games, and you can also download file, and you can also complete the watch time of your YouTube channel as well. You just go to the YouTube and search your channel or video, and just click on that your video and put it to like 0.2x speed slow. Now it is installing desktop environment. And this is very superb RTTP. And now installing Google Chrome as well, and it will complete in just few seconds. Now see finalizing, and the RDP completed successfully. Now if you are using the PC, go to the Google Chrome desktop website and sign in. And if you are using Android device, so go on Play Store, search Chrome desktop and Chrome remote desktop, install it, and I already have installed, so I'm gonna open it, Chrome remote desktop, and switch to the your user, and then click on and enter pin 123456. I already told you. And look, the interface of the Linux. Now let's check out the speed test and the system specifications. Click on properties, and here you can see they are giving us 150 GB Debian Linux. And I will show you how to complete the watch time of your YouTube channel. Go on Google, search YouTube there. First I will show you a speed test, so I'm gonna click on speed test and look the speed, it will be confirmed like 142 megabyte download. That's the speed of this RDP, and 408 Mbps download speed. It's really super. Now I'm going to show you the YouTube, so go on search and click YouTube. Now open youtube.com and search your YouTube channel, like I'm searching my YouTube channel, Rancha YouTuber as well. So look, I'm searching my channel, Romeo YouTuber, and here's my channel, Romeo YouTuber. I'm gonna play my first video as well. So now I'm gonna mute, so because it really puts some noise and distortions. Oh sorry, disconnected by mistake. And now I'm gonna put this video on other three tabs as well of the Google Chrome. So it really helps you to complete the watch time of your YouTube channel without any restriction, without any problem, without any traffic by. And that's the video, and it's really awesome. And another video I will teach you how to install Steam Wine in